Hey guys, how's it going? How to share notes to Instagram Reels or posts. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram. And before you pull this, before you've done this, just go ahead and go back to your screen and then go ahead to your app. So Google Play, click on the search and click on your avatar or Apple ID at the top right. And then refresh and make sure that you updated the apps to the latest version, including your Instagram right here, right? And after you update your Instagram, what you're gonna do, I'm gonna just demonstrate how it's done. Just go ahead right here. Lots of examples. This is Instagram post or reel. Just go ahead like you're gonna share it. Just go ahead and click share right here. And basically you're gonna see, instead of the copy link option, you're gonna be able to see the add note. And basically what that will allow you to add notes like you did in your DMs, right? In the DM section. And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to add a note and then share it to that Instagram Reels or post. So I'll turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.